guys, I'm going to show you a Honda 450L. We're going to be doing the rear fender conversion as well as the front blinkers, and wanted to do a quick run through on taking the stock blinkers off and how to connect ours and the little mounting plates that go with it. So I'm going to kind of show you, walk you through a few things. I'm going to go ahead and put the GoPro on the bike so you can see what's going on. Basically, here is the blinker. There is a Phillips screw here. If you take that Phillips out, and maybe this one will be easy, but there's a plastic insert on the back of the blinker. Sometimes you can take a small screwdriver and just pop out the plastic. Being careful not to rip the rubber on the blinker, and then that'll pull out of the mount. The blinker has this green connector. They're connected up inside of these rubber boots. So the left side, which is your clutch side, is connected into this boot here. It's got the brown plug for the key, and then the two bullet connectors in here for the clutch sensor. So that's what that one is. Pull it all out. There you go. There's your stock blinker. Not gonna need. And then our blinkers, we have some little yellow labels on them, have an L and an R for left and right. So this is the left side, so that'll plug into there. This is the blinker plate. Has a screw on the back, machine anodized. What I'll do is I'll loosen this out, put a little drop of blue Loctite on, and then it'll sit inside of the OEM cutout for the blinker. So here it is. Put a drop of blue, leave a little bit of a gap, and that'll allow you to slide the blinker plate in. If you want to take a look from the side, here's the OEM bracket. There's the two bolts that hold the bracket in. These are loose. We took the number plate off just so we can see better. But basically, the blinker plate, you can make sure the washer doesn't get caught up, but you just slide it in. There'll be a little bit of play, a little bit of misalignment, but once you tighten that bolt down, there's the Allen bolt, goes on the back side, and you could either take the bracket off to get to it and make sure it's tight, or you can get in there with a ball and Allen or an Allen key. What I like to do is just take it off and tighten it down, make sure everything is seated and tight. So again, here is our bracket off of the bike. Here's our bolt. Go ahead and just use an Allen key today. Get that bolt nice and tight. That thing's all seated in. And then I could show you now, we have this off, how the blinker goes in. On the blinkers, they have this rubber grommet, and it just slides in. So what I'll do is I'll pop the grommet off. We can put the blinker connector through, and then the grommet will seat into the blinker plate, like so. And then the blinker will push in. Sometimes you can put a little spray of silicone spray or water. It shouldn't be too bad if it is tight, but that'll just push in, and there you have it. Blinker installed. Go ahead and bolt those back up, and that is it. Connect this up inside to the connector. There we go. So that's it. Front blinker's installed, ready to go.